Hello everyone, my name is Alok Kumar. I'm a father of 2 sons, 9 trees, and husband to one of the most beautiful princesses of the world. I'm an engineer, an entrepreneur, an author, a traveler, and founder of 2 successful running companies. Now, your parenting guide. Yes, guys, I'm on a mission to help hundreds of thousands of parents bring the best version of their children. So, continuing with my next tip, today I'm going to tell you about something very energetic, something very interesting, and something very exciting for you. Now, my first question to you: how many of you know about the surroundings you are in? Yes, you listened correctly. How many of you know about your surroundings? Surrounding means the place where you are in, the city where you are in, the food that you are eating, the clothes you are wearing, everything. So, if I ask you, how many of us have taken our children to the fields where they have seen crops growing? How many of the children know ये धान और गेहूँ कहाँ से आता है, कैसे होता है? How many of the children know ये चीनी जो हम घर में यूज़ करते हैं, how does it form? Parents, believe me, there are lot of stories wherein I have come across people of age group maybe early 20s or early 30s, they don't know how it happens. I'll give you a short story. I was in a sales training in the year 2005, I believe. The place was Karjat near Mumbai. The sales trainer was training us in terms of sales techniques and other things. He randomly asked questions. He asked to one of the guys whether have you seen any fields as of now. His reply was no. उन्होंने अगला क्वेश्चन किया, क्या तुमको पता है कि ये जो चावल तुम खाते हो ये कहाँ से आता है और कैसे होता है? He was quite shocked. He was never, he has never seen a field wherein he have seen crops growing. Another example I'll tell you. I was going through a TV, live reality show, MasterChef. The contestant was having his fiancée in the audience, and he was a good cook. The judges asked the fiancée a question like, do you know where this rice comes from? Her answer was, दुकान से आता है. His next question was, तुमको पता है कि ये चीनी कहाँ से होता है? Her answer was again कि दुकान से आता है. So parents, my point is, दुकान से आना is okay, but have we taught our children? Have we made them aware कि यहाँ तक ये पहुँचता कैसे है? वो सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट क्या है? हमारा देश एक कृषि प्रधान देश है. गाँव में खेतों में किसान अपनी जी जान की मेहनत करते हैं, तब वो क्रॉप्स हमारे तक पहुंचता है. सो वी हैव टू टेल अबाउट द एंटायर सप्लाई चेन, राइट फ्रॉम द सोइंग एंड रीपिंग ऑफ द क्रॉप टिल द एंड यूजर. क्या हमारे को बच्चों को पता है ये चीज़ें कैसे होती हैं? जब तक उन्हें पता नहीं चलेगा, उन्हें इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस पता नहीं चलेगी, और जब तक इसकी इम्पोर्टेंस पता नहीं चलेगी, उसकी वैल्यू नहीं होगी. Friends and parents, I'd like to tell you, be grounded to the ground, be grounded yourself in terms of knowing the basic facts of life. The roots have to be very strong. हम normally कहते हैं कि there has been a generation gap. Yes, it has to be. It is natural. We cannot, say that it will not happen. It will definitely happen. But we can bridge this gap by transferring the knowledge. Whatever knowledge and information we have been given by our parents, those things have to be transferred to our children, right? वो गैप यदि आ गया तो जो चीज़ें अच्छी हैं वो चीज़ें छूटती जा रही हैं. वी आर जस्ट फॉलोइंग द वेस्टर्न कल्चर. हम बाहर की चीज़ें सारी अडॉप्ट करते जा रहे हैं और हमारे जो बेसिक्स हैं, जो हमारी अच्छी चीज़ें हैं, हम वो भूलते जा रहे हैं. सो गाइज, आई टेल यू, मेक योर चिल्ड्रन अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग अराउंड देम. उनको पता होना चाहिए कि चीज़ें कैसे हो रही हैं. जिस शहर में है वो शहर कब बना, कहाँ से आया, नामकरण कैसे हुआ उनका, उस शहर की विशेषता क्या है. टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग, इफ़ आई गो अबाउट द ज्योग्राफी, आई आस्क देम टू नो इवन what is the longitude and what is the altitude of the space or the place where they are living in. So I'm not telling you to go about the entire world. Don't go to international places. Don't go to any other places other than where you are living in. First know the history, geography of your place where you are living in, then the surroundings, what you are using. It may be a mobile phone, the technology has to be understood. It may be internet, the basic philosophy and the basic protocols of internet has to be known, right? So these are the basic things you should teach your children. हम बस ऊपर ऊपर जा रहे हैं. If I ask simple questions like, if we talk about USB drives, a guy should know what is the full form of USB. We talk about HTTP, yes, we should know what is HTTP, what are these protocols. We talk about all these 4Gs, 5Gs, what are all these 4Gs, 5Gs, we should know and we should teach the children. So my basic purpose of this video is, I want to make parents aware so that they can teach the basics to their children. ऊपर ऊपर काम करने से नहीं चलेगा. You have to go into the basics, teach your children the basic philosophy of life, teach your children the basic technology, teach your children the basic demography, geography and civics, history of the place where they are in. So guys, tip of the day, know your surroundings and teach your surroundings to your kids. That's it for the day.